Hey everyone, welcome back. If you ever set up a Proxmox homelab, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That annoying pop-up every single time you log in saying you do not have a valid subscription. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it permanently on Proxmox 9 and also fix your repos so updates actually work. By default, Proxmox points to the enterprise repositories. If you don't have a paid subscription, running apt update will throw errors, so let's fix that before we do anything else. SSH into your Proxmox node as root and run this command to delete the enterprise repo file. Now let's add the free no subscription repo. Paste the command I have linked into your Proxmox. Now run apt update and you should see packages pulling cleanly with no errors. Alright, repos are sorted. Now let's kill that pop-up. The next screen is controlled by a JavaScript file in the Proxmox web toolkit. We're going to flip one condition inside it so the pop-up never triggers. First, always back up the file before touching it. Now we will need to use the patch. Once you've done this, we need to restart the PVE proxy server. Do it with the command systemctl restart PVE proxy. Do a hard refresh on your browser, Ctrl+Shift+R. We can check if the pop-up is gone. We need to log out and try to log in again. Now the pop-up is fixed, but there's one problem. Every time Proxmox updates that JavaScript package, your patch gets overwritten and the nag comes back. So we're going to create an apt hook that automatically reapplies the fix after every upgrade. Now we need to create the file using the mkdir function. In order to update the file, use the nano text editor. Now paste the command inside. To save, use the combination Ctrl-O, Enter, Ctrl-X. Now we need to make the file executable. Use the chmod function. We need to register now the file that we made as a hook. From now on, every time apt upgrade runs and touches that package, the hook fires automatically and repatches it, set it and forget. If this helped you out, drop a like, it really does help the channel. Subscribe if you want more homelab and self-hosting content. I'll see you on the next one.